been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. Hell yeah, jump in my ride.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl BB here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this U-part wig. This hair was sent to me by LUVMEhair, and this is their kinky straight 12-inch bob U-part wig. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you guys how I put that on and how I blended my hair into it and stuff like that. Yeah, so continue watching. So right now I'm basically just making my part and braiding my hair back.
She wants some. Let me take it from LA to London. Cause girl, I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose.
Taken by LUVMEhair. And y'all, so this is the hair. It's like, okay. So straight out the pack, this is what the hair is looking like. And y'all, it feels really soft actually. This right here, that's what you're going to use to secure the hair onto your hair. To open it, you just okay guys, so now I'm installing the hair, and so far I have to say that the hair was really full, like really full. I'm not sure what density it was, but it was really full. So once I find out, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. This hair goes perfect with natural hair, like it blends perfectly with natural hair. And I feel like if your hair is longer than mine's in the front, it's gonna blend even better. But yeah guys, continue watching.
I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose. See, I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. A parachute. A parachute.
Go ahead and detangle it. And yeah, I had actually gotten this from a company, and I thought that it sucked at first, but after using it, it's actually really good. But you know, I had already sprayed heat protectant over my entire head. Why, I don't know, but it's there. So now I'm gonna use this to straighten out my hair, and then I'm gonna use my flat iron. So
It's a voodoo thing. Maybe I know shit. Girl, you don't see Mugu. Tell me what you do. Why you do me voodoo? Loving you straight to the moon. Baby boo boo, tell me what I do. Read me like a guru. Make us sing for you, eh. People they call you Delilah, but I go buy you designer. And I'ma give you love where you never see before. No go use me play. People they call you Delilah, but I go buy you designer. And I'ma give you love where you never see before. No go use baby, tell me why you do me juju. People don't they talk say I be mumu. Sick of you, I done they buy everything for two. For me, for you, adore you. People don't they para. Plenty people don't put eye for my matter. I know if you to explain why I love you, but I know your body now Allah. I wanna send a message, I wanna feel your touching, I wanna be a blessing. Give me some loving, I wanna teach a lesson. I'm trying to start finessing. counting on my blessing. Come give me your love. Why you don't see Mugu? Tell me what I do. Why you do me voodoo? Loving you straight to the moon, baby voodoo. Tell me what I do. Read me like a guru. Make I sing for you. People that call you Delilah, but I go buy you designer. And I'ma give you love till you never see before. Don't go use me play. People that call you Delilah, but I go buy you designer. And I'ma give you love where you never see before. Don't go use me play. Yeah. Voodoo. Yeah. Baby, do me voodoo. Yeah. Now no shit. Throw me in the air. Falling for a long time now, I'ma need a parachute. Hell yeah, jump in my ride. Pose for the vibe. Yeah, let's go missing for the night. Keep the bullshit to the side, Oh my God, I want you to be mine and you know it. My baby got the vibe and she knows it. I want you by my side and you know it. Baby, just give me the compound. When I give her, she lick it like tonton. I got a song.
Okay guys, so that is the finished look, y'all. It's actually really cute. Like, I love it. And I didn't even need to flat iron my hair. That's pretty much it for this video. I will leave all the information for you guys and the link in the description, below. So if you guys like this hair, you can go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video. Let me know if you guys tried this style or tried this wig. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.